Credit Vital, a massive news right here that the SBA released the new Paycheck Protection Program and EIDL application rules today, and I'm going to tell you each and everything about it. So please watch this video till the end. If you're going to apply for PPP or EIDL, if you are the first time applier or you already applied for it or you are thinking to apply for it, this is an important video for you. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right in front of you, here's some massive news that the SBA released the new Paycheck Protection Program and EIDL application rules and details. When it comes to EIDL, you already know that the EIDL is Economic Injury Disaster Loan, and of course there was the thing that it was $10,000 forgivable, but then they actually restricted it to $1,000 per employee. You can also apply for both of them if you're self-employed or gig worker. So if you are one of them, then please watch this video till the end. So now let's go towards the details, that what are the details and what you need to do in order to apply for it. Remember, they are going to come up with the application probably tomorrow or later this week. I'm also going to review the application step by step, and I will tell you exactly how you are going to fill it. So please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified about that video, because that video will really help you in order to fill out that application. As well as I will tell you the Paycheck Protection Program. Yes, right here that you can see that the Paycheck Protection Program is a loan designed to provide a direct incentive for small businesses to keep their workers on the payroll. Remember, the Paycheck Protection Program is also forgivable loan. So what it means by also forgivable loan, not a lot of people know about it. There are two types of Paycheck Protection Program loans, right? So the first one is over the threshold, that is actually not forgivable or partially forgivable. The other one is under the threshold, that is completely forgivable. So I'm going to tell you each and everything in a video that I'm going to upload specifically about the Paycheck Protection Program. So in order to watch it, please subscribe and click on the bell icon, and don't forget to smash the like button. So right here, as you can see, that the PPP loans or Paycheck Protection Program loans have an interest rate of just 1%. So it means even if you're going to pay it back, so you are only going to pay the actual, almost the actual amount, so it's just 1% on top of it. But remember that I'm going to tell you how you can make it forgivable, so please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Remember that loan payments will be deferred for borrowers who apply for loan forgiveness until SBA remits the borrower loan forgiveness amount to the lender. If borrowers does not apply for loan forgiveness, payments are deferred 10 months after the end of the covered period for the borrower's loan forgiveness, either 8 weeks or 24 weeks. Let me just tell you this news because I think I haven't just mentioned it right here. Today I got an email from my lender that SBA has forgave my loan, so I don't have to pay anything. So I'm debt free right now when specifically talking about Paycheck Protection Program, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you are going to do it. So make sure to please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button, because I'm going to tell you how I did that, and it will really help you. And exactly the same procedure I'm going to tell you. So right here, of course, there's no collateral or personal guarantee required, so you don't need to actually provide any sort of collateral or your personal guarantee, and of course they don't even care about your credit score, so don't worry about it. Neither the government nor lenders will charge small business any fees. Of course, there will not be a single fee. Whatever the amount you get, you will actually get the actual amount, so there won't be any sort of fees on top of it. How you can apply, I'm going to tell you about the lender as well in a video that I'm going to upload after this, so please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. It's gonna help the channel a lot. So now let's go towards the economic injury disaster loan. Don't worry about it, I am going to tell you about the PPP lender in a separate video, so don't worry, you don't have to go through anything right here. It's very complicated and complex. You will be lost, so don't worry about it. You are on Credit Viral channel and we are always here to help you guys with this. So let's go towards the EIDL program. EIDL, let me just tell you and give you a simple overview. EIDL, economic injury disaster loan, yes, it's also a forgivable loan, but there was a confusion at the beginning in the first stimulus bill that when they actually came up with this, that either we are going to get $10,000 as a forgivable loan or just $1,000, then they just stick with $1,000 per employee. So now it's the same. Of course, if you are self-employed, you are going to get $1,000 forgivable, and whatever the amount on top of it, you will be paying around 3.75% businesses fixed. So of course this is the interest rate, so keep that in mind. If you are a for-profit business, so it's fixed, and of course it's 2.75 for non-profit if you actually own a non-profit. Don't worry about it if you are a gig worker or you are a taxi driver, Uber driver, or any sort of other business you own, you know, like which actually qualifies you as a self-employed person, then don't worry about it. You are also eligible for this EIDL program. So let's go about. So remember, there are two things. The first one is EIDL loan and second one is EIDL advance. Yes, the EIDL advance is forgivable. You remember that I told you that $1,000 per employee is forgivable. Of course, right here it's up to $10,000. But remember, it's not cleared yet, so if anyone's gonna say that they know about it, no, they don't listen to them. I will tell you each and everything on Credit Viral channel. So of course the maturity date is 30 years right here, so of course you can pay it back in 30 years and the interest is really low, and there's a lot of things that is included in it. So these are the details that the SBA released today. They are going to come up with the application really soon. If you want to know about the application, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, and don't forget to smash that like button. I'm going to upload the videos about this EIDL and Paycheck Protection Program, so please don't miss any video because they are going to help you a lot, and I'm going to tell you step by step how you are going to fill out the application. What I mean by fill out the application, that I'm going to tell you that how you can fill out the Paycheck Protection Program application as well as the economic injury disaster loan application. They both are really important. I told you that I already gave you the news that my Paycheck Protection Program loan is already forgiven, so of course I'm going to tell you how I did that in the first place. I am also going to apply it again. So when it comes to filling out the Paycheck Protection Program application, I'm either going to actually live stream it on YouTube when I'm going to apply for it, or I'm going to actually record a video and upload it on YouTube, which will really help you to actually apply for Paycheck Protection Program in simple ways. But remember that, you know, my first Paycheck Protection Program loan is already forgiven. My lender emailed me today that I'm debt free when it comes to Paycheck Protection Program, so I don't have to pay a single penny back to anyone. So in order to know about it, you know what you need to do, so I'm going to make a video on it. So remember that this is a really important part, because Paycheck Protection Program and EIDL program, they are limited, so you know what you need to do. Stick around, stick to the channel, be the community, and then we are going to do it together program. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.